Hello friends, my name is Shalu Pal. Welcome to Interview Questions and Answers video tutorial series. Today I'll discuss question number 9. In my ninth question is, are you overqualified for this job? This question is asked to every overqualified person who is applying for the lower qualification job. So how you can answer this question? First I will tell you answers for fresher. My first answer, thank you for this, but I think I'm qualified for this job but not overqualified because I am just a beginner and have lots more to learn. Now I have just theoretical knowledge about my field. When I will get practical knowledge, that time I can consider me well qualified but not overqualified because learning never ends. See, this is the best answer which any fresher can give for this question. See here what you are trying to convince the interviewer by saying that, sir, I am not overqualified, I am perfectly qualified because I am a beginner. I want to learn many things. Currently I am just having my theoretical knowledge, my bookish knowledge. Now I want to convert it into my practical knowledge so that I can be well qualified for the job. As learning is a never ending process, so I will learn many new things in this company. So here by giving this answer, you can convince the interviewer very easily because interviewer just want to know the reason why you want to join the job which is requiring less qualification than you have. Next option for fresher, sir, for this post I may be overqualified as per criteria, but I think my overqualification will definitely helpful for organization as well as for my colleagues to make this organization better and better. So here, being a fresher, I am accepting the fact that yes sir, I may be overqualified, but I think my qualification will be helpful to this organization for betterment of this organization. Next option for fresher, no sir, of course not. I don't think I am overqualified for this. I have just only covered the theoretical aspects and a little confidence on practical implementation. So I would like to work for this post to enhance my key skills and abilities for betterment of the organization, and I think my education suits for this, so I have applied to work on it. So here also again the fresher is trying to convince the interviewer by saying that he has theoretical knowledge, he wants to increase his skills, he wants to increase his abilities, he wants to work for the betterment of organization, and according to him he has applied for this job as his education is suitable for this job. Next option for fresher, sir, according to me higher qualification is not a waste of time, it is investment of time. Whatever extra qualification I have may help the organization in some or other way. So here fresher is trying to give clarification on his education that, sir, my higher qualification is not my waste of time. I have done this is my investment of time. Whatever extra qualification I am having, that I will utilize for this organization in some good way. So these are some options for fresher which you can utilize in your interview. Next I will tell answers for experienced professionals. First option, as you noticed I have worked at a higher level, but this position is exactly what I am looking for, something challenging but a little less intense so that I can spend more time with my family. See, being an experienced professional, if you are having or if you have worked at a higher level and you are applying for a lower level, then might be you are applying on that job for some family problem, might be you have some location problem or you have some other problem. You can share your problem with interviewer directly because he wants to know the genuine reason, and that genuine reason you can directly share your problem. If you are having some family problem, you can share that job requires very much working time, so I want to work at a lower level so that I can spend more time with family. Next option, I am here because this is a company on the move and I want to move up with you with more than the minimal experience. I offer immediate returns on your investment. Don't you want a better experienced person for this position? See, here I am giving my clarification that, sir, whatever move that your company is taking, I am interested to be a part of that move, and although I am having more than minimum experience which is required for this job, I will offer you immediate return. Whatever money you will invest on me, I will offer you immediate return on that money, and if you are getting a better experienced person for this job, then it will be beneficial for your company. So in this way I am trying to convince the interviewer. Next option for experienced professional, you can answer in a short and simple way like, my experience will be an asset to the company and will help me to be successful in this position. I will be happy to work in your company. See, in such a short and simple way you can answer without giving any problem, without giving any explanation. You can just tell the interviewer that my experience will be beneficial for you and your company, so and also I can be easily work on this position successfully. I will be happy to work in this company. So these are three options which I have given for experienced professionals. Hope you can use this in your interview. Thank you for watching my video. You can share my video with your friends. You can subscribe my YouTube channel. You can watch my more videos on youtube.com/learnbywatch. Just mail me your comments and suggestions on shalu@learnbywatch.com. If you want to buy some my educational DVDs, just visit www.learnbywatch.com. You can place order and you can buy online some educational DVDs of mine. Thank you.